What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm doing the same low rim dunks over my motorcycle. You guys do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. We're on our way. The goal is 500 and we're almost there. So let's get it, guys. First up, a one-hander off of 2 feet. Now that they're gone, a two-hand dunk off of 2 feet. Hey! One-hand dunk off of 1 foot. We can do better than that. 1 foot, 2 hands. Let's go! So we'll go off the lob, one hand. It's starting to sweat. Off the backboard, 2 hands. I almost didn't get that. Let's try it again. Over the bike cuff windmill. Let's try a two-handed windmill. Reverse dunk. Hey, let's go tap the rim dunk. The vertical dunk. Between the legs. The Statue of Liberty. The dribble oop. The back scratcher. The reverse pump. I think that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see a part 2, let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, we'll do a part 2. I could do a 360 windmill, some just more crazy dunks over the motorcycle. But yeah, again, we're posting a video every single day this week, so do not miss out. Turn on post notifications. I'm Kid Rise, or KR, whatever you want to call me, and we're out.